Sabrine, it's a real pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Welcome to the Future of Hospitality Conference here in Riyadh. In your own words, what do you do and how do you define your personal relationship with hospitality?
So I'm Sabrine. I'm the CEO and founder of Monsapo. And we have built the first circular detergent factory inside the hotel. My relationship with hospitality started when I worked in a 5-star hotel in Tunisia. Mm-hmm. I was the marketing manager, and I've seen the huge quantity of used cooking oil that have been buried in the soil because the collector doesn't come on time.
Yes.
Like my grandmother used to make soap from used cooking oil.
Yeah.
And I connected the dots and said, why can we just industrialize the whole thing?
So recycling takes a lot of different ways. Your approach was to use something that's integral to every kitchen, cooking oil,
exactly,
and something that is not easy to dispose of. And instead of turning it into a waste good that you had to pay for, you created a value proposition that allowed
exactly
for the hotel to use that waste product to make detergents?
Exactly.
So what are the kind of detergents that you guys make and how does that affect the efficacy of the hotel?
Actually, today we have 12 products that can serve 4 range. So we have a kitchen range where we have a descaler, degreaser. We have a multi-purpose range for the housekeeping, like also descaler, a multi-purpose, like window cleaners, etc. We have also for the laundry. Our value proposition is to say to the hotel that you can gain between 30 to 60% in your cleaning supplies. We're making a drastic environmental impact. Today, hotels spend between 30 to 100,000 euros on cleaning products. And we want them to have a high premium quality product with the lowest price.
And sustainable.
And sustainable, exactly.
So I'm going to ask you a couple more now questions about hospitality in general. Whether it's a high-end audio lounge in New York or a museum in London or a hotel in Riyadh, what is one new physical space that completely blew your mind?
My best travel was in South Africa.
Oh.
I loved how, the people, I don't have a place, I love the people.
Uh-huh.
So I loved the people there. They were very welcoming. I felt like home. I felt myself, and I really enjoyed the whole trip.
Amazing adventure. What is an industry trend that you think people are totally getting right now? And what's something that maybe you think they're getting wrong?
Personal branding for businesses. Mm-hmm. I think that we have been so many years obliged to do traditional marketing. Mm-hmm. And now people have to show themselves more as their brand ambassadors.
Yes.
And that's why I think to myself, maybe I should host also a podcast. I know what's called Hospitality on the Loop. I've been brainstorming about it a lot.
And that story, right? So now you're connecting people around this idea of hospitality plus ecological thoughtfulness, right?
Yes.
To me, that intention is part of the future of hospitality because it is so integral to luxury destinations. You cannot have a luxury destination that does not respect the environment, does not treat it with intentional thought ahead of time, right? So here's another fun kind of dream question. Now you're a creative person, you're an entrepreneur, you just started this new business based on this thing that you've seen, right? A need that the industry has, plus the magic that your grandmother gave you to say, I can change this thing, like, turning lead into gold, right? Yeah. What's a dream project that you have been thinking about, and how does your magic kind of bring it to life?
A dream partner would be Accor.
Oh.
And because I think they share a lot of my values, because they are doing a lot of work into sustainability, but not only, they work a lot on diversity, on inclusion. I love how their president speak about it. He's not only focused on efficiency. Yep. Even when you see on his LinkedIn or something, he's a lot focused on how sustainability and luxury can go together hand by hand. It will be like a dream for Monsapo to be in all the Accor around the world.
All righty. So now, in one sentence, what do you believe the future of hospitality is?
Actually, what I think is that before our parents like to go to hotel, like all-inclusive hotel, spend the whole week, lay by the beach and everything. We are in a very different generation, and the Gen Zs also are very different from us, and they are more experience-based. So I think the future of hospitality is experience-based, is to propose a luxury and sustainable experience. What we are doing at Monsapo. So we propose a very premium products at a very average cost. This is how we can go from luxury hotel to a 3-star hotel. So we can propose a premium product for all business stages, let's say, and this is what I think.
And the future of hospitality is definitely sustainable, because if
Yeah.
you're not sustainable, you're not going to be luxurious, you're not going to be intentional, and you're not going to be a destination that's going to be there for a long time. So we both know that hospitality is one of the most polluting industries in the world. How is your organization trying to raise awareness of this and also change that?
We know that hotel dumps a lot of used cooking oil, and they pay to throw this waste away. But not only that, they use petrochemical products that are packaged in plastic that comes from faraway factories. So this is why we have built Monsapo, so that they can produce their own cleaning products at the source at their facilities, without plastic packaging, as they are using their packaging.
And it's a found product. It reduces their cost, and it's an excellent product that is customized for their market.
And the cycle is 30 minutes, so they don't wait a lot to have it in front of them. So one of the most impactful things that we are doing also with Monsapo is we have created a dashboard where the hotel can track in real time their environmental impact.
Wow.
Like have CO2 they have been preventing from the environment, the kilogram of plastic they are being not using, millions of liters of water they have been saving. Not only that, but also their savings, so their ROI, their paybacks by products, and of course their operations, so they know exactly what they are being using in their hotel. So for operator, it's visibility, and for the management, it's reporting, and for the sustainability teams, it's audit-ready data that they can give to commercial to have, like, for example, the green.
The LEED certifications.
Exactly.
And I would say it's also a really great feature for marketing teams, right? As individual properties look to distinguish themselves, intentional sustainability is one of those things that they can really use as a marker.
Exactly. Thank you.